All right. We got a section called recommended resources. You got any resources you'd recommend to people to help them either grow their business or themselves personally?
What do you think? I mean, you're always on the...
Yeah. Obviously your website and forum, the Facebook, laundromat owners, laundromat tips for success. I don't know. There's a few laundromat Facebook pages out there.
Mm-hmm.
Where else?
Look at the Coin Laundry magazines.
Coin Laundry, Planet Laundry. If I fix all the machines, so I watch. There's YouTube channels. Following Keenan is one. There's a bunch of different, laundromat YouTube driven type of channels to watch. So I mean, that's kind of what we're all around. Coin Laundry, we're members of Coin Laundry. I want to keep that going. I know they make you pay for the forum now, but it's hey, if they're going to advocate for us, I'm gonna pay, and I'll help as much as as much as we can to be members too. So I mean, just we're kind of everywhere.
Yeah, awesome.
What's on TV tonight? I don't know. Laundromat Millionaire.
Yeah, Laundromat Millionaire. Get it all, man. It's great. Yeah, awesome resources. I think that's good. I like that you're on just like a bunch of different mediums. You're just, you're learning wherever you can learn, right? And I think that's
never stop learning.
Big key for those resources.